Good morning, students. My name is Rajesh De Cruz. Welcome to the learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. So, children, again we will have Geography, Class 7, Chapter 2. So, children, let's have rocks and minerals. As you know, the earth's surface is made up of rocks, and the rocks are made up of minerals. Rocks vary in colors, texture, chemicals, compositions, and sharpness, while granites and marbles are hard. Sands, limestones, and clays are soft. Rocks may or may not be crystalline in their structure. Children, so now we'll come to know about the types of rocks. You must know the rocks are of three types. The first rock is igneous rocks, the second is sedimentary rocks, and the third is metamorphic rocks. So children, let's have the first igneous rocks. Igneous rocks is also called primary rocks. When molten magma cools down as a lava, igneous rocks are formed. Granite and basalts are examples of igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are also of two types. First, extrusive igneous rock, and the second, intrusive igneous rocks. When the molten magma comes out of the surface through the volcanoes and cools as a lava, becomes solid, gives the formation of rocks. This type of rocks is called extrusive igneous rocks. And when sometimes this molten magma could not come out of the surface, and by the time it cools down under the ground and becomes lava and gives the formation of rocks. This type of rocks is called intrusive igneous rocks. Now let's have the second, sedimentary rocks. You should know that rocks are broken down by the weathering down of the earth's surface. We call this process weathering and erosions. The broken rocks materials are called sediments. These sediments are laid down by weather, air, wind, water, icebergs, and deposited some other down layers. As they layer over time, get compacted by the weight of overlying stocks and water into solid rocks, and they become hard and give the formation of sedimentary rocks. Example: shale, clay, limestone, chalk, corals, gypsums, rock salts, and limestones are example of sedimentary rocks. So children, I should tell you that sometimes remains of animals and plants get trapped into layer of sedimentary rocks. Because of this sedimentary of sediments, the sedimentary rocks get trapped some dead animals and plants. These dead and animals, when they go under a deep layer of the sedimentary rocks, give the formation of fossils. Because of these fossils, coal, petroleum, and natural gases are formed. Now children, we will have the third rocks is metamorphic rocks. Igneous as well as sedimentary rocks when they subject to immense heat and pressure and weight of overlying rocks undergo change in their appearance, chemical properties and characters. They give the formation of metamorphic rocks. It means when the igneous and the sedimentary rocks go under a heat and pressure, they change their forms and become metamorphic rocks. Rocks formed in these manners are called metamorphics. Some examples of metamorphic rocks are limestone is a sedimentary rocks, it change into marble. Granite, it is igneous rocks, it change into gneiss. And the marble and gneiss are example of metamorphic rocks. Okay children, now we will see rock cycles. Metamorphic rocks are not only subject to change under heat and pressure, they may be weathered, eroded, deposited and compacted to form sedimentary rocks. This is a kind of interchange in the state of rocks from one type to another. So, when igneous rocks changes into sedimentary rocks and the sedimentary rocks when it goes into heat and pressure and changes into metamorphic rocks, again the metamorphic rocks go and change by some process like volcanoes and becomes magma as lava and gives the formation of igneous rocks. So changing of one type of rocks to the another is called a rock cycle. The scientific study of rocks and conditions under which they form is called petrology. You should know rocks are very important. Rocks are used for different purposes like making of roads, construction of houses, and some times it is used as laying down the railway tracks. Iron, gold, copper are important metals. We also get diamonds and various precious and semi-precious stones from rocks. Okay children, we'll have enough today and we'll have next speech of exercise. Now whatever I have taught you, please go through the lessons and the paragraphs and have revisions. Again we will meet in the next video with the exercise. Till then, bye bye. Please subscribe my channel and share it. Thank you.